Hello again and welcome to video 4. This covers module 4 of the programme, which is on the technical filings and working with notified bodies. These are the actual step-by-step processes you will need to undertake to put a medical device on the market. It shows you how to file with the regulators and what the regulators are expecting to see. Again, it's been delivered by a good friend John Adcock, who I've said before is a real international medical devices regulatory expert. Deals with all things such as quality, training, auditing, facilities setup and management, project management, regulatory filings, and he also is the UK representative for a huge number of international medical devices companies who market here in the UK and Europe. So John really knows his stuff. So sit back, watch the module video that we put together with John, and we'll look forward to seeing you in a minute.
My name is John Adcock. I'm a regulatory device consultant and I've been working in the device industry now since 1982. Originally I was with a company called Sherwood Medical, an American multinational, where I was Vice President of Regulatory Affairs and Quality, so I have a very strong background in these subjects. We started Advena Limited in the late 1980s for servicing regulatory and quality requirements for small to medium-sized medical device industries, and most of our clients are global at the moment. We work worldwide. This presentation is going to look at the documentation required for medical device conformity. If you'd watched the earlier presentation, you would have seen the outline of the requirements, and now we're going to look more in depth. Technical files, the US 510K presentations, and the other data that's required to demonstrate that your products are safe and you can get conformity assessed and approved. The workshop will look at the documentation, which is inextricably linked to quality and safety. One of the important areas we will discuss will be risk management to the international standard ISO 14971, to demonstrating that your devices are safe and efficient. This will be very, very important in the EU now because of the change of the regulations in 2010. And furthermore, we have to demonstrate how your devices will conform to the essential requirements of the particular medical device directive you wish to conform to. It is very important to get your documentation correct and right first time. Once it's submitted to the authorities, be it a notified body, competent authority, or to the FDA, you don't want to be getting endless questions, changes and things like that. So in particular, the dossiers required for sales in the US via the FDA are expensive. They are expensive not just to produce and create, you also have to pay a large fee to the FDA to have them put in. Hence, you don't want mistakes. You only have a certain time limit on them. The FDA will ask you lots of questions. You need to answer those questions, and if you get thrown out, you have to start all over again. So get it right first time. This is the key to successful documentation for regulatory conformity.
Great. What more can you say? It's clear how this module is going to be really critical for your planning, your costings, understanding what's going to be required, understanding the timings, and understanding what needs to be done. It's going to be invaluable for anybody developing a medical device technology. So, this course has really been set up to deliver maximum value. We've got these world-class experts, and I'm so glad you're taking the time to watch these videos and familiarise yourself with the course contributors and their content. As I mentioned before, the course will be supported by forums and webinars. Now, the idea of these is to really tailor the material to your specific needs and requirements. So you're not just sitting back and passively watching some videos. You can ask questions, you can make comments, and then that enables us to tailor the second part of each module to your specific requirements and interests. So although it's delivered remotely and you're not having all those travel expenses and all that pain of train fares, getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning to be at the train station on time, you can be sitting in the comfort of your own home watching the videos, you're still getting that really valuable face-to-face experience. We're using the latest technology to deliver the course, We've had a few issues filming these modules, videos, as you can see, with the light coming in and out, but that's to do with filming next to a PowerPoint, but we won't be doing that for the course. We'll be using screen flows and other technologies to put slides directly onto your screen, so it will be totally seamless and there'll be none of the quality issues. But we felt it'd be important that you see the people who are going to be delivering the course to you. So if you found yourself here by accident, make sure you can fill in the form that's on the page so you can get all the other materials that are associated with this course. It's no obligation, just fill it in. And of course, those people who are getting the emails, we'll see you shortly in the next video, where again we'll be telling you more about the course modules and how it all fits together. Thanks for your time, and I'll speak to you soon.